all forms of harassment and bullying. May bullying pa ba doon sa ano? Siguro, no? Kung, I don't know. Okay. Section 15 addresses a serious issue of harassment and bullying within maritime industry, providing seafarers with protection and recourse. It recognizes a safe and respectful workplace is essential for the well-being of seafarers. This section guarantees seafarers the right to protected from all forms of harassment, bullying on both on board ships and on shore. This includes forms of harassment, bullying, whether verbal, physical, psychological, or other forms. Okay? So, tayo pa naman Pinoy, di ba? Mahilig tayo sa mga joke-joke, di ba? At saka, siguro, bullying na yun, pero we just treat it as a joke, no? Pero we don't know na bullying na pala yun. So, okay. This section further outlines the responsibilities of ship owners in addressing this issue. Adoption of anti-harassment and anti-bullying practices. Ship owners are required to develop and implement clear policies to prevent, address harassment and bullying. Establish helplines and grievances mechanisms. Ship owners are also responsible for creating effective reporting mechanisms such as hotlines, grievances procedures, allowing seafarers to report incidents without fear of reprisal. Wow, this is good, no?